Hello everyone, my name is Lesedi Badisang. I am an 18-year-old lady. I choose to be an actress because I know that I can do it and I wanna improve myself, and I've got that potentially, and I wanna fight against my opponents, and I wanna be your next gemstone. Thank you.
Thuso, Kago. Where are these kids now? Where are they? I want to go to that meeting there. But now, how am I going to go there to see those people? Just look how dead I am. After 7 days without washing myself, without cleaning up myself. Look, even these shoes. These shoes, they need porridge. After everything that I've done for these kids, should I go to my neighbor there? No, but my neighbor, she knows that I've got 2 kids. How is she gonna react if she can hear me that I came to ask for a little bit of stuff to wash these dresses? She knows that I've got 2 kids, a boy and a girl. And Thuso is a soldier there in village. And Kago, she's working there in Gum City. She's a farmer counting pills in that garment. Is this how they thank me now? After everything that I've done for them. Hey, Jerusalem, these new generations of today. Hey, matata man, it's a problem. These new kids. Oh, I see now. So, Thuso, he has washed his panties. Hey, he really loves his mother. That's why he has hanged them outside there. Now, no worries. I know what I'm gonna do now. I can't go to other people with these clothes. Okay, fine. I'm gonna take them now. No worries now. I've got new clean pants. I'm gonna put on them. Bye.